Have you ever struggled to keep your characters consistent across all your scenes? You're not alone. This challenge has frustrated many creators for years, but that's over. Thanks to the power of AI, we now have an incredible solution. In today's video, I'll show you how to create custom characters and make sure they stay consistent across every scene you generate. Stay tuned, because I will also show you my best prompts for a stunning picture story and a guide on how to use these uniform character images. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create an AI character that stays consistent across multiple images, animations, and even AI-generated videos. Consistency in character creation is the foundation of a successful faceless YouTube channel, especially in niches like kids' stories, film recaps, animated storytelling, horror narration, gaming lore, educational explainer videos, motivational content, and even AI-generated story series. A well-designed, recognizable character builds audience connection, strengthens brand identity, and keeps viewers coming back for more. The magic behind this process is a tool called Zine.ai. This is an all-in-one AI platform packed with features like text-to-video modeling, image-to-video generation, AI-powered filters, and much more. But today, we're focusing on just one game-changing feature: consistent character creation. So, let's dive in and stop struggling with AI characters that change every scene. Step 1. Creating a new project. To get started, head over to design.ai and create a new project. Give it a name, something like Consistent Character Project, and select your preferred aspect ratio. I recommend 16:9 for the best coverage. Once you're set, you'll see your canvas appear, ready for action. Step 2. Accessing the Character tool. On the left panel, you'll notice multiple options, including uploads, text-to-image, and video tools. Scroll down to find the Character feature. Here, you'll see two essential options: Consistent Character, Character Sheet. To create a brand new character, start with the Character Sheet. This allows you to generate a character with multiple angles, ensuring better consistency across different scenes. Step 3. Choosing a style. Inside the Style section, you'll find a variety of character styles, everything from realistic styles, cozy 3D styles, 3D rendered styles, cartoon and toon portraits, and more. Choose a style that best fits your project. Let's select Zine Render V1 as an example. Step 4. Defining your character. Now comes the fun part: crafting your character's unique look. In the prompt section, describe your character in detail. If you need inspiration, you can use AI assistants to generate descriptions. I recommend that you use ChatGPT to define a character that covers as many features of a character as possible, so that an artificial intelligence tool can understand what a good image looks like. You can enter it in yourself or copy my prompt in the description. First, copy feature table prompt and paste it into ChatGPT and hit enter, and you will get 3 unique cartoon character descriptions. Then copy my second prompt, image generation prompts template, and paste it into the ChatGPT text field. Then select one of the 3 characters you like and replace it here, press enter, and you will get a complete prompt for your character. Once you get the prompt, copy the one you like and paste it into this text box. Select the 16:9 aspect ratio for maximum coverage and click Generate. Step 5. Refining your character. Images. Once your character images are generated from different angles, pick the one that best represents your vision. Click on Place on Canvas to place the images on the screen of your editor, and crop each image carefully, ensuring your main character remains centered, and download it to your device. Repeat this process for all images. Step 6. Enhancing image quality. After cropping, you might notice a drop in image quality. No worries. Use the built-in AI image upscaler to restore sharpness. Simply upload each image one by one, select portrait mode, and hit generate. Download the upscaled versions for a crisp, high-quality finish. Step 7. Training your consistent character. If you prefer a simpler method, you can also generate a consistent character from a single image, but I don't recommend it, as the final training model may give a poor visual image. For example, if you train the model with a close-up image, all future outputs may also be close-ups. To avoid this, train your model with multiple images, including T-poses and full-body shots. This ensures greater flexibility when creating scenes. Ready, let's set up the train model. 1. Select a character image. Navigate to the Consistent Character feature and click Choose Character. Select New Character and name your character, e.g. Luma. Then upload all your image you just download. Click Train. This process takes around 30 to 40 minutes. Grab a coffee while you wait. Once training is complete, you'll have a fully adaptable AI character. Now, just describe any scene you want, and AI will generate it with your custom character, maintaining consistency in every frame. Let's test it out. Say we want Luma walks through the New York City. Simply input that action into the prompt, select 16:9 aspect ratio, and hit Generate. Within seconds, AI will create multiple variations of Luma in the New York City. Let's try Luma riding a bicycle on the modern city. Or Luma drives a sporty Lamborghini. And hey, before I show you more inside tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful that will help you create a story with a consistency character for your Faceless YouTube channel, please press like and subscribe to my channel. That is more energy to motivate me for creating this kind of video for you in the future. Now let's take it a step further. Want something even cooler, like a fancy Disney movie? Change it to riding a dragon. Boom! Your character is now soaring through the skies. Even, you can add more character, like Luma talks to her mother in the kitchen. And if you ever need to modify clothing, just adjust the outfit description in your prompt. For example, change white hair and blue dress to yellow hair and red hoodie, and AI will update the outfit while keeping everything else the same. Amazingly, right? So let's take this advantage further by creating an animated video with a consistent character. No need to switch to another animation video tool like Kling AI or Halo. Zine AI integrate these advantages built for you too. Try it out. Click on AI Video Generator. You'll see two options. Image to video, perfect for animating your character. Text to video, great for generating scenes from scratch. Since we're animating Sarah, select Image to video. You can choose between Kling AI and Minimax AI, two of the best AI video generators built into the tool. Let's go with Kling AI, then click on Picked an Image and select the image you want to animate and input. A cute boy is riding a dragon with an expressive face. Hit Generate, and in seconds AI will create a stunning animation of Luma in action. Excellent result of the animated video, right? Okay, let's try another one. Luma is talking to his mom in the kitchen with expressive face. Bonus tip. Creating a consistent character is the chance to get more than 50% viral video success. But how can you use this AI tool with your trained model to maximize the advantage of this unified character? Here's how. Use ChatGPT to create a series video with this character, and then create a Faceless YouTube channel with this character. I recommend you create a children's channel and upload a series video with this character. To motivate you and save your time, I've created a complete guide for you that covers everything you need, from creating a story to creating all the images for every scene in your story. Okay, here's the kicker to this prompt. Now that you've got all the features of the Luma character set, next, copy a story type recommendation prompt and paste on ChatGPT to get 5 recommended stories. Then copy the 4 prompts, full story breakdown with more scenes for 8-minute storytelling. Don't forget to paste your selected story before hitting enter. Finally, copy the last prompt, expanded story breakdown prompt, to get all the detail images for your story. This is a great reward for you. If you agree, click like and subscribe. Now copy and paste these individual image prompts into the Zine text box, hit enter, and you have the best image for your story. Repeat the process for all the image prompts, and you'll have all the images for your story. Also, if you want to know how to create an animated 3D video step by step, including a complete guide on how to create natural voice recordings with 11 Labs, or how to edit and assemble them into a complete video with CapCut, you can find a link to Create 3D Animated Stories video for free with AI in the description. That's it for today. Now you know how to create, train, and animate your own AI-generated characters with perfect consistency. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI-powered content. If you want to use these AI tools to build your Faceless YouTube channel, just sign up for a 7-day trial like I did. You can get 3,000 credits for free. And if you have an idea for a video you'd like me to make, just leave a comment and I will do my best to make it for you. See you in the next video.